went to my mother's birthday party. It's really nice, I think, and a tribute to a good life when you can have friends that you've had for a long, long time, and you also are always making new friends. So thank you so much for coming. I want you to know that my mother's sister is going to be turning 16 this week, and because when everybody asks her how old she is, she always says she's sweet 16. So my cousin's having her a sweet 16 party, and so my mother is 5 years younger, so I'll let you do the math and figure out how old my mother really is. Would you like to say something?
Thank you all for coming. I certainly appreciate it. You're celebrating my birthday with me. And I'm 85.
I wasn't going to say Ruth.
And she's proud of it.
Darn proud.
Today we have some entertainment, and I want to introduce everybody.